Okay, today we're going to do a review or an unboxing of the Predator Precision .1 TF. These are pretty limited, hard to find, not many of them left here in 2025. This is the revamped Predator with the fins basically on instep and outstep and the fold over tongue, and these are the white versions, so yeah, these are not cheap either. It's even got a nice slide out box. And this comes with the bag. You know it's good when it comes with the bag. Here we go. So yeah, I mean the Predator are iconic, but you can get some .1s and some .3s that have some fins, but nothing like this. These are very big. Standoff, the front of the shoe on the instep, front of the foot, outside. Yeah. It's got the nice rounded tread, which this just works the best on artificial turf instead of a lot of the other designs. Yeah, super well made. I'm not sure if these are leather or synthetic. They feel very well made. Fold over tongue. Yeah, look at those. Significantly larger than any ones that I've seen on any other shoe. Super well constructed. Gonna be psyched to play in these. So, yeah.